Hey guys, I'm gonna do a cold start of the 2003 Buick Century. Just get a quick walk around of it. And it just got moved out here, but it's been pretty dang cold. So I thought, what a perfect opportunity to get a cold start video of it. So let's unlock it and get inside it. This will be a perfect video. This car has 65,000 original miles. Got the bucket type fashion seat. It's pretty nice. Oh, got the Delco audio system. Wow, it's pretty cold out here. Yeah, I can tell the temperature gauge. Fires right up. Fires right up. Nice. This is awesome. Blinkers work. That's awesome. Show you the stereo real quick. Wow, it's actually pretty good. Alright. Let's do your guys' Christmas present from me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.